friends, now we have Miss Ankita Mohan, who has completed a B.Tech in Dairy Technology from National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, and then MBA in Agribusiness Management from National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, Hyderabad, Telangana. But despite her diverse professional qualifications, her interest in ancient Ayurveda and naturopathy transformed her into a holistic lifestyle educator. So, Miss Ankita, we are all anxiously waiting to hear from you. So, over to you, Miss Ankita.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sonika, for giving this beautiful introduction and the opportunity to address this intellectual gathering today at NBAGR. A very warm welcome to Honorable Director Staff, distinguished dignitaries, respected scientists, students, and all the lovely people present here for taking the time. Ma'am has already introduced me, so I think I'll just please allow me to briefly introduce myself. I have degrees in science and management, but modern medicines told me that I can never heal, which is why I educated myself on holistic health, ancient Ayurveda, naturopathy, Unani, fitness, nutrition, so as to regain health. I battled, survived, and reversed an incurable skin condition called hidradenitis suppurativa. The topics that I'm going to cover today is a basic introduction to holistic healing, some mindful eating concepts. I'm not going to conduct a biology class because I already know I am addressing learned people, but still digestion is an important process of our body, so I'm going to cover a few basics about it, circadian living, and few suggestions. So before we start, है क्या holistic health होता क्या है? Holistic might have come across, सुना होगा आपने, overall. हम हेल्थ को अलग अलग साइलोज में ना देखकर I hope I'm okay if I talk in Hindi in between. Yeah, thank you. So physical health, emotional health, mental health है तो तीनों बॉडी के पार्ट ही. they don't exist in silos, अलग अलग नहीं है. हमारी पूरी बॉडी इंटरकनेक्टेड है और सेल्फ हील जो बॉडी की कैपेबिलिटी होती है हमारी समझ से बहुत ज़्यादा समझदार है हमारी बॉडी. सो empowering the body to use its own intelligence. कैसे? लेकिन by providing the right food habits and also mindset. सबसे पहले तो अभी अगर हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठे भी हुए हमने पहले सोचा उस चीज़ को. सो एवरीथिंग इज क्रिएटेड ट्वाइस, वंस इन योर माइंड एंड देन इन रियलिटी. तो मेरी जर्नी की शुरुआत भी ऐसे ही हुई थी. सबसे पहले आई हैड टू थिंक कि आई कैन रिवर्स दिस, आई कैन heal myself in spite of all the modern medicines and people across the globe telling me that I can never get better. But your mindset plays a huge role in transforming your health. फाउंडेशन क्या है, बुनियाद क्या है? सबसे पहले तो कुदरत ने हम सबको ये तोहफा दिया है, ये बॉडी. इसकी कदर करना. ट्रीटिंग योर बॉडी एज अ प्रेशियस गिफ्ट फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स. कोई भी रिश्ता आप निभा सकते हैं, मतलब एक मैं बोलूँगी ना, हमारा खुद से खुद का रिश्ता होता है. हम बाकी सारे रिश्ते निभाते रहेंगे बट यू कैन नॉट पोर फ्रॉम एन एम्प्टी कप. जब तक आप अपना ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे आप बाकी रिलेशनशिप्स भी उतने अच्छे से नहीं डील कर पाएंगे या हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक आप अपना ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे. सो दिस बॉडी इज़ टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड एंड टू बी केप्ट फ्री फ्रॉम हार्मफुल इन्फ्लुएंसेस. Let's go back to ancient Ayurveda. हमारा
session is open for discussion. If anyone of you wants to ask any question, you're most welcome.
Any feedback? Good, bad, ugly? If not, questions?
Ankita, what is the best time to have fruits during the day?
First half of the day. Breakfast. But that doesn't mean कि हम शाम को नहीं खा सकते. ऐसा भी नहीं है. But ideally, it would be in the morning.
Yeah, because I read somewhere that we should have it during the evening hours. Like fruits generally शाम को रात को नहीं खाने चाहिए.
करेक्ट
नहीं पढ़ा था इसलिए that is why I just wanted to confirm with you.
करेक्ट सही पढ़ा था, आपके सोर्सेज अच्छे हैं.
So I asked our previous speaker also about the habit of drinking milk. You know, we tend to have milk at night. We generally take warm milk, and then again, from my sources, I will say that I read somewhere that it leads to secretion of that hormone serotonin, so which leads to sound sleep. So if that is so, but there are contrasting reports about about you can say ill effects of consuming milk. So what is your opinion about it?
Okay, dairy, being a dairy technologist myself, I know कि हाँ, it is definitely a complicated subject. And the dairy that we are consuming today, I mean, I have done some market research as well. जो आज हम dairy खा रहे हैं ना, it is full of antibiotics, injections, steroids, hormones and whatnot. वो हम खाएंगे तो वो हमारे अंदर भी आएगा ही. So and also we shifted the breeds. हमने दूसरी breeds ले आए because we wanted to increase the milk production today. So anyway, I would also recommend dairy किसी को पचता है, anyone who is diseased, obese or having a sedentary lifestyle, उनको dairy पचाने में problem आएगी. But also observe for yourself, गुड क्वालिटी मिल्क जो है या A2 जो देसी गाय का बोलते हैं हम दूध है, वो तो इवन हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में भी बोला गया है कि वो अच्छा ही है, बट बॉडी की उतनी कैपेबिलिटी भी होनी चाहिए ना पचाने की, तो वो है. सो I mean, it depends on body to body. Like if someone is going through any autoimmune condition, big no, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बॉडी की उसको पचाने की कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है. पुराने टाइम में कोई लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस, ग्लूटेन एलर्जी ये सब होता ही नहीं था, बिकॉज वी हैव शिफ्टेड द वे इट इज़, आई मीन प्रोसेसिंग का मेथड हमने चेंज किया. ऑल्सो वी हैव गॉट मोर कमर्शियल. बैकयार्ड में जो गायें दूध देती थी वो इट वॉज मोर लाइक अ फैमिली मेम्बर, है ना, तो एक्सेस देती थी वो हम कंज्यूम करते थे. बट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज डिफरेंट.
My side, whether we should keep some time gap between our food and fruit. Suppose if you are taking morning breakfast, whether we should have some time gap for taking fruit after that.
Definitely sir, because जो हम if whatever we are eating, it needs some time to digest. So definitely a gap of probably 1 hour or maybe 2 hours or whatever works for you. Definitely if you keep a gap of a good 1 or 2 hours, then your body will be able to digest that food and then probably you can take your next meal. So it works.
Because there is something we used to believe when we were student. Immediately after dinner we used to take 1 banana or 2 bananas.
Yeah.
So that will improve your digestion and morning constipation problem may not be there. Like that we were taught in our time. So that's what I'm asking.
Sir, ancient Ayurveda never recommends fruits along with the meals.
Okay. Right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ankita, like at the beginning of your presentation, you started with one of the medical conditions that you went through. So can you just take us through your experience? How did you deal with it, and like what were the different ways that you adopted to get out of that? I think that was an autoimmune disease.
Yes.
So would you be comfortable sharing it with us here today?
Absolutely. Condition. I mean, I was going through this condition even way before I was diagnosed. वो 2010 से थी, but I was working for a pharma company in 2017 and I got diagnosed in the last stage. उसमें क्या होता है, एक तो पेनफुल लम्प्स दिखाई देते हैं बॉडी में, जिट्स हो जाते हैं स्किन के अंदर, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स डे टू डे लाइफ रेलेंटलेसली, बिकॉज हाथ पैर, और ये होता उस एरिया में है जहाँ पे बॉडी में फ्रिक्शन होती है. हो कहीं भी सकता है, इवन फेस में भी हो सकता है, बट मेरे लिए बेसिकली या कॉमनली जो होता है वो अंडर आर्म्स और ग्रॉइन एरिया और हिप्स एरिया वहाँ पे होता है. तो चलना काम करना इट बिकम्स अ स्ट्रगल. So when I was diagnosed and I was not prepared, that being from a middle class family, all I wanted to do was I mean, after my MBA, I was working. I mean, I was having a decent job in Hyderabad. I was working there, and I was trying to create my own identity. But then I was not prepared for this. I mean, कि कुछ इनक्योरेबल भी हो सकता है मुझे, क्योंकि वो डॉक्टर जब भी जाओ तो कुछ ना कुछ एंटीबायोटिक सजेस्ट कर देते थे या कुछ स्टीरॉइड. सो आई ऑल्सो नेवर थॉट, बट जब वो लास्ट स्टेज में पहुंच गया, and then it was a different journey from there. Honestly, I thought probably I'm not going to survive because of the information available on the internet. And I tried being I mean, I was working for a pharma company. I tried to contact all the people जो भी network में थे कि क्या किया जा सकता है. I tried everything, right from Ayurveda. I'm not against all the, I mean, all the medicines and different functional medicines like homeopathy, ये वो, जिसके लिए जो workout करता है, मेरे लिए नहीं किया था. Then I started praying, to be honest. I saw this movie called The Secret, which is based on law of attraction. पहले तो सोच के यकीन नहीं हुआ था कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हमारे thoughts कितने powerful हो सकते हैं. So I started thinking that there's a reason why I'm alive and there's a purpose behind it. And if God has kept me alive, there has to be a reason behind it. Let me just be grateful for my journey. And it was not at all easy because मैंने इतने टाइम से जिन चीज़ों के लिए मेहनत की थी वो सब जा चुका था. Like I had to quit my job. I left the city and I was not prepared to answer questions on I mean, where am I? मैं कर क्या रही हूँ? ये सब बहुत affect करता है. So then I started praying and I found my mentors as well, जिन्होंने किस बहुत लोगों से मैंने holistic healing, कहीं से मैंने थोड़ा यूनानी मैंने अगर सच बोलूँ अफ़गानिस्तान में एक फ्रेंड के थ्रू सीखा, जो वहाँ पे मैं ट्रांसलेट करके अपने क्वेश्चंस देती थी और फिर वो बताते थे. इनफैक्ट करनाल में ही आपके जो इंडिया राय के पास चौक है ना, नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, वहाँ पे भी एक यूनानी डॉक्टर बैठते हैं, तो उनसे भी मैं 1-2 बार मिली हूँ. सो ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन. जहाँ पे जिम खाना है शायद, उस तरफ जिम खाना है, या वो ठंडी सड़क वाली रोड, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर. तो ये सब मैंने सीखा, अपने लिए अपनाया. And it was definitely a difficult journey for me because being a North Indian, जो भी barriers थे, या सबसे पहले तो यही believe करना कि खाने पीने रहन सहन से you can even defeat something which is called incurable. So it was definitely challenging, but then it was a process. Healing takes time. I give myself a year and a half of time and I transformed myself. It was definitely not easy because more than physical health, it was what was affecting me was my mental health as well. तो वो सीखा, and then everyone around me, they saw physical transformation and they saw कि मतलब जो कॉन्सेप्ट या थॉट्स या जो बिहेवियर था वो चेंज हुआ है, बिकॉज आपका पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज हो गया ना लाइफ में. जब आपको कुछ भी नहीं लग रहा था कि किसके लिए ग्रेटफुल हो, तब आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड ढूंढना हर रोज़ हर चीज़ के लिए. एंड देन people started asking me, so I thought okay, I started giving tips, suggestions, techniques, and they started benefiting from it. So I said let me just create a program wherein एक आम आदमी को क्या करना पड़ता है सेहत को सही करने के लिए. So I started workshops and that is through my paid program called Self Heal. Through Self Heal I mean कोरोना की वजह से लॉकडाउन हो गया, उससे तभी मैंने शुरुआत की थी अराउंड दिसंबर में, और उसके 4 महीने बाद ये हो गया. बट बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड I've been able to mentor and heal people right from Fiji Islands, जो यहाँ पे एकदम नीचे कॉर्नर में है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, to some parts of India में of course, and then some parts of Europe and Canada, और वहाँ US के कुछ पार्ट्स में जहाँ पे मतलब people were hopeless, and I call my story as hope because at one point of time all I needed was hope कि एक दिन सब सही हो जाएगा. So that was a brief about my journey. I hope this helps.
Thank you for sharing your experience. And so what we understand from all this is that you're a brave girl. So thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a
On
lot.
behalf of the entire institute, I thank you for your interesting talk. And I particularly like the part where you said that stitching is the new smoking. So I'm sure taking inspiration from you, all our participants will show more sincerity towards physical activity and most important, mindful eating. Thank you very much.
Thanks a
Ankita.
lot. Thanks a lot.